Good morning, boys and girls. On Kidstir today, we are going to do something for St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up on Thursday. So we will be doing a slice of cake, which you will get, and you will have a stencil to paint. And this was a really easy one. All you will do is take your piece of cake and lay your stencil down, and you will get a clean paintbrush that's never been used in paint, and you will get some green food coloring, and you just hold your stencil down and paint your design on there. And hopefully you'll do better than Miss Kathy's doing. And you might, if you want to water that down a little bit, you can. So hold your stencil down. And when you do your projects this week, Miss Libby and I would love for you all to send us some pictures of what you've done, and you can send them to either one of our emails at the library. And we will post them, if we can post them on our Facebook page, or just to have them for the library. So this doesn't look much like shamrock. I hope yours looks better than mine. But
I think it looks good.
You can water it down and do your little shamrock, and then you'll have your piece of cake. And the next one that we're going to do is a pot of gold. And so you will have your little muffin here. Actually, it's a little brownie bite. So this will be your gold icing that you will put on there for your pot of gold. And then you will put your green icing on your graham cracker. All these things are going to be in your bags, and you can pick those up on Tuesday at 9:30 after the library opens. We will have the bags ready, and you can come by and get them, and then watch the video. Will be up at 4, I think 4 o'clock.
Oh, wait a minute. It's in the morning. It's at 10.
It's at 10. So the video will be ready at 10, and you can pick up your stuff that morning if you need to. So then you'll put your little muffin or your brownie bite on here, and then you have your little marshmallows at the end. And the best part is you have your little rainbow, which you can put down here. And then you'll have to just kind of wedge it on here so it looks like the rainbow going over. So I could say it. We might have needed 2, Libby. There we go.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's your finished product, and we hope you guys enjoy this, and happy St. Patrick's Day, and be sure and send us pictures. Have a great day.
I think